Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to pull out a particular section of a word. So let's type a word. So let's write word equal to, suppose, environment. And now I want to get the first four letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 5 letters. So in order to do that, I can just write print. Then I have to write word, and within this I can just write 0, then 4. So 0 means this will start from here, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will get envir if everything is right. So let's see whether I get this or not. So yeah, you can see NY. So 0 to 4. Oh, this means this will go to 0 to 4, but this will exclude 4. So this will go from N wire, but it will exclude the last one, which is R, and it will just give me NY. So if I suppose if I want to get till here, what do I say? So this is basically -1. So this is -1, this is -2. So if I want to get uh, from here, let's write 1 to -1. So what's gonna happen is this will give me environment. So it cut the first E, which is in uppercase, then it cut the last T. So the last T is basically, you can say the index of it is -1, because if something starts with 0, then the opposite one, the last letter will be 0, -1. So this is 0, then 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want, you can do like this as well, but that way you have to actually count the word letter. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the same result will come if you write 1 to 10. And if I hit run, you can see the same result. But this way you have to actually count the letter, how many letter there is in a word, and you have to work accordingly. But if you want something like remove the first letter and the last letter, then you can simply write 1 to -1. So this will start from N and it will end in N. So that's how you can actually get a piece of the required word for your project. So yeah, I guess you guys are clear about it. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.